Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have a squared plus 2ab plus b squared equals to a plus b, everything to the power of 2. This one we change for tan s square, everything to the power of 2. This one you got about 1 square, and this one we have number 1. So this is about identity. So we change this one into this one, and you got about tan s square plus 1, everything to the power of 2. And this one we got about secant of s square. So we need to separate them in here, just like this. And secant of s square we change for tan s square plus 1. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan s. If we do first derivative for the both sides, you got about du equal to secant of s square ds. So this one we change for u square. This one we change for du. The integral of u square you got about u to the power of 3 over 3. The integral of 1 you got about u. And we put about c, that's about constant. About u, this is about tan s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.